Start.
Chapter Integer, Subject Math, Class 6C, presented by Abdullah Habib, Sir Khwaja Adil. Contents to be covered: define integers, explain integers on a number line, define ordering of integers, find addition and subtraction of integers, define addition and subtraction of integers on a number line, additive inverse.
Integers.
Define integers. Students, you already know about the whole number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. When you put the negative in numbers also along with these whole number, we can call them integers. Integers on a number line. This figure is represents a line with some points marked at equal distance. There is a point on it which is marked as 0. The points on the right of 0 are termed as positive integers, whereas points on the left of the 0 are negative integers and are marked as -1, -2, 1, -3, -4, and so on. This kind of representation is termed as number line representation. To mark +2 on the number line, we move 2 steps from 0 on the number line. Similarly, to represent -5, we move 5 steps from left of 0 on the number line. Let us again observe the integers that are represented on the number line. We know that bracket 9 is greater than 5 and placed on the number line 4 points on right of 5. Similarly, 5 is greater than 0 and 5 is placed 5 steps on right of 0. -2, 0, 0 is greater than -2 and -2 is placed 2 steps on the left of 0. -7, -2 is greater than -7 and -7 is placed 5 steps on the left of -2. Thus, we have seen that in the number line, the bigger number are placed right and smaller at the left. Addition of two positive numbers. Let us understand this concept with an example. A boy is stepping on the staircase. He goes 6 stairs up from the ground and halts for a while. Then goes up 4 more stairs. How many stairs he goes up from the ground? Plus a bracket plus 6 bracket plus 4 bracket is equal to +6 plus 4 is equal to +10. So number of steps moved by y from ground is 10. Addition of two negative integers. Let us understand this concept with an example. In a game, you have to pick up any 2 pieces of paper on which a number is written. You have to add the numbers written on these 2 papers. Suppose you get -2 and -5. What is the addition or sum of these 2 negative numbers? Bracket -2 bracket plus bracket -5 bracket is equal to minus bracket 2 plus 5 is equal to -7. Addition of 2 integers, 1 plus VE and other minus VE. Let us understand this concept with an example. In a game, you have to pick up any 2 pieces of paper on which a number is written. You have to add the numbers written on these 2 papers. Suppose you get +5 and -9. What is the addition or sum of these 2 negative numbers? Bracket +5 bracket plus bracket -9 bracket is equal to -4. Addition of 2 plus v integers on the number line. Now we will learn addition of 2 positive integer on the number line. Let us say we want to add 6 and 4. For example, 6 plus 4. So for that we move 6 steps to the right from 0, and then on reaching 6 we move 4 steps ahead on the number line from 6 and reach 10. Thus we get 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Addition of 2 minus v integers on the number line. Now we will learn addition of two positive integer on the number line. Let us say we want to add -5 and -4. For example, bracket -5 bracket plus minus 4 bracket. So for that we move 5 steps on the left from 0, and then on reaching -5 4 move 4 steps ahead on left on the number line, and thus we reach -9. Thus we get bracket -5 bracket plus bracket -4 bracket is equal to minus bracket 5 plus 4 bracket is equal to -9. So we have seen when we add two positive integers, their sum is positive plus v, and when we add two negative integers, their sum is positive plus minus v. Examples: and is moving on a number line. It moves 6 points right from 0 and then comes 2 points back. Where is at present? Where is it at present? It will be at 6 plus bracket minus 2 bracket is equal to 4.2 right of 0. And ant is moving on a number line. It moves 6 points left from 0 and then comes 4 points to right there. Then where is it at present? It will be at -6 plus bracket plus 4 bracket is equal to -2, for example, second point to left of 0. Now let us understand additive inverse. Now let us understand and know the concept of additive inverse. Suppose the ant walks 3 points toward right side, bracket plus 3 bracket of 0 and walk back 3 points, bracket minus 3 bracket towards the 0. 3 plus bracket minus 3 bracket is equal to 0. So additive inverse of 3 is -3. Similarly, comma 2 plus bracket minus 2 bracket is equal to 0. So additive inverse of 2 is -2. These are called as additive inverse. Addition of a plus v and the minus v integers. For better understanding, let us take an example. Find out the sum of a bracket -10 bracket plus bracket plus 5 bracket plus bracket plus -7 bracket plus 2 bracket. Here we are going to group plus ve integer and minus ve integer separately together. For example, bracket -10 bracket plus bracket -7 bracket plus bracket plus 5 bracket plus 2 bracket is equal to bracket -17 bracket plus bracket plus 7 is equal to plus bracket plus 10 bracket is equal to -10. Additive inverse based question. For better understanding, let us take an example. Find out the subtract bracket -5 bracket from bracket -10 bracket. Solution: bracket -10 bracket minus bracket -5 bracket is equal to bracket -10 bracket plus bracket additive inverse of -5 bracket. For example, bracket -10 bracket plus 5 is equal to -5. Thanks for watching. Hope you all understand. Goodbye.